Your brain isn't just gray matter, it's a neural net, a web of 86 billion neurons computing everything from coffee cravings to quantum puzzles. Welcome to the neural net, where biology blueprints AI. On December 10, 2025, with neuromorphic chips rivaling brain power, we're tracing the wires that make us think. At its core, the neural net is synapses, junctions where neurons whisper via neurotransmitters. Hebbian Learning rules it. Cells that fire together, wire together. This plasticity reshapes the net, storing memories as strengthened connections. Unlike rigid computers, your brain's net adapts, pruning weak links for efficiency, up to 10 to the 15th synapses, outscaling any supercomputer. AI neural nets borrow the blueprint, layers of neurons learning patterns via backpropagation. But biology wins on energy. Your brain sips 20 watts, while GPT-4 guzzles megawatts. (2025's twist? IBM's neuromorphic chip, spiking like real neurons, slashes AI power use by 90%, enabling edge computing for prosthetics that feel via neural interfaces. The neural net chronicles disorders too. Alzheimer's frays connections. Epilepsy overloads circuits. Yet 2025 trials with optogenetic nets restore vision by rewiring retinas. In life sciences, mapping the connectome unlocks consciousness. How does a net birth I? The neural net isn't static, it's evolving. From solo brains to global minds, what's your next connection? Subscribe for more net deep dives, like if your mind's wired for wonder, and comment, BrainNet or AI net, which evolves faster? Resources below.